How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, I'm bringing to you the Platinum Lakeview. The Lakeview is a one-of-a-kind tiny home because of the windows galore in this home, the tall ceilings, the split loft, the option for an outside porch, and the tub shower in the bathroom. This is where you can get all of those things in one. And it starts right here in the living area. You'll see we have windows around the living area to bring in the natural light, all trimmed in southern yellow pine that is painted white. And you'll also have the same option on your baseboards going throughout. So very durable, very quality driven with Platinum Homes. And you'll see here on the opposite side, we have the window, but we also have the trapezoid windows up above to bring in the natural light. As well, we have the built-in entertainment center. You have the cabinets down below and the hanging space up above for the flat screen TV. And then that perfectly complements the flow of this house into the dining area. And you'll see right here, we have a small bump out over here to the side that adds a little bit more space for your dining area. That way you can put a nice bistro table here, or you can even use the island that we have in this home to have a designated area. It's not stationary, so it can be moved, and we can place it on wheels for you so you can move it out of the way or move the direction of it when you like. And with that, you also have the built-in hutch. We have cabinet space up above, cabinet space down below, adding more storage space for pots and pans, etc. We also finish out the top of all our cabinets with the soffit. So you see, you can have a nice area to put decor, decorations, whatever you like. And right across from that is your kitchen. We have more of the galley style kitchen with the HD laminate countertop. We've got the mosaic backsplash, and we went with the Encore brown cabinets. We have the window up above the sink, making it a nice view while you're doing dishes. And then we went with the black appliances. You have the electric cooktop stove right here, and then you have the black refrigerator to match. And then right across from this, you have your bathroom. You see right here, this is one of the few models that you will see that is a tiny home with a tub shower. So if you do have children, this is very child friendly with a spot for them to take a bath in. So that is perfect, and it's also elevated up above, so you do not hit your head on the ceiling for the taller people out there. And you guys follow me right this way, and you'll see that we also have access to your electric water heater. This is a 20-gallon. You also have the option to upgrade to a 30-gallon or even go tankless. And then right here beside, we have our stackable washer and dryer connection. So you put your stackables right there, you're good to go. And then your master closes off with a nice pocket door in white. That's southern yellow pine as well. And you guys come on back, and you'll have your master bedroom here. Got an abundance of space. And also we even finish out the electric panel box for you with a wonderful wood cabinet. In this model, for the closet, we went with a single closet because these are for our clients that are looking for more space for their TV and more countertop space. So you move the closet to the side, you can put a 50-inch right there, mounted on the wall, and it's gonna feel like a movie theater in your bedroom. You have all your dresser drawer space down below, 6 drawers, and then you have your barn door here, which slides open to your double shelf and rod. And close that back, and you guys follow me through. And the next stop will be the split loft. So you guys follow me up there, and I'll tell you about that. Now we're in the split loft of the Lakeview. You'll see, again, we've added more natural light. We have clerestory windows on each side of the home, and we also have another pentazoid window up top. So we have that bringing in the natural light for you, and the abundance of space up here is phenomenal. You'll see we have room right here where you can line up a few full-size mattresses, or this could even be a play area. The reason why I say it could be a play area, because you already have set designations for full-size mattresses with your split loft. You have one over here, one on the opposite side, and it's great for those kids that don't want to touch each other. So you sit there, you have them locked up. It's like they're in their own little cage over here. You keep them over here, and then if they want to play, they got their space in the back to do so. And guys, I just want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and thank you for tuning in. And I'll see you guys next Tiny Home Tuesday.